Tilaw di.
Tilaw, mapiro ay wanda.
Chingmeirong da ngasi hujik akhoi Chingmeirong gi Leikai gi mamang Leikai gi akhoi mayam sanabung gi mafam seisa kananomna Patta tasinlamle masi police ki high court order poraga akhoi Chingmeirong gi maning mamang pullaga mayam pullaga akhoi hujik police ka thangaina bagi tayari taunari hujik sem saba hori. We are going live against eviction plan of somebody who has taken over a piece of land which belongs to the Chingmeirong Leikai, Mamang Leikai, and so the forces are already here, and we are also getting ready to fight back. We are expecting tear gas, we are expecting bulldozers, the JCB, and we are going to fight back. And this is the live video that's going on now. Police have come in and some negotiation because we have blocked the road, the highway. This is going live of the current protests of Chingmeirong Leikai against the forcible effort to evict community land, to uproot the community Singlup office, the club office, and the playground which belongs to the Leikai, to this community, and the effort has been to resist. Somebody in the past have taken private possession of this land and they have come to evict under the order of the High Court, but we have come out to protest. I'll resume this live once we're expecting more police force to come, and I'll resume the live video once the fight starts again.